Hello everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. Here's another GCSE exam style question on motion and forces. This question is mainly about distance, displacement, speed and velocity. It's a really interesting question. Please pause the video and try this question. When you want to check your answer, press play. A cyclist travels 12 kilometers due east in 30 minutes. So you can see 12 kilometers due east in 30 minutes. She then turns and travels 9 kilometers due north in 20 minutes. Calculate the cyclist's average speed for the whole journey. Now remember, the formula for average speed is total distance divided by total time. The total distance traveled is 12 add 9. So that's 21 kilometers divided by total time. Now remember, normally we get kilometers per hour. So I am going to convert this into hours. But let's get the total time first. 30 minutes this way, 20 minutes after that, that's 50 minutes. So I know 1 hour is 60 minutes. So if I need to convert 50 minutes to hours, obviously I have to divide it by 60. So that's 50 divided by 60 hours. I mean, I can cross off the two zeros. I can call it 5/6 of an hour. So I'm going to divide this one by 5/6. I can just put this in the calculator to get my answer. So the answer here is 25.2 kilometers per hour. Part B. Calculate the cyclist's displacement from the starting point. Now remember, distance is the total length, which is 12 add 9 in this example. Displacement is the shortest distance between two given points along a straight line. So what we need to do is we need to connect the starting point here and the end point there. So what I need to do is d squared is equal to 12 squared add 9 squared. So d is equal to square root of, I can put 144 add 81, which is 225. Square root of 225 is 15 kilometers. So the displacement here is 15 kilometers. Part B. Part C. Using your answer to B, calculate the average velocity of the cyclist for the whole journey. Give the magnitude in kilometers per hour and state the direction as a bearing. So velocity is a vector. So I need to tell the direction and also the magnitude. Now, the formula for average velocity is total displacement over total time. Now, the total displacement is easily 15 kilometers. Time is the same, so 5/6 of an hour. So my answer here is 18 kilometers per hour. That is the magnitude. However, the question clearly says that you need to get the direction too. Now, to get the direction, I need to find the angle from the north. So I'm just going to first work out this angle theta. Let's see how you can work this out. This is basic trigonometry. So, you know, this 9 is my opposite. And this 12 is the adjacent. So, opposite and adjacent. So, toa tan. So, let's work this out. Tan theta is equal to 9/12. Theta is equal to inverse tan 9/12. And you get 36.8 869, let's call it 36.9 degrees. Now, we need to be careful here. The question clearly says to give the direction as a bearing. Now remember, bearings, we always measure the angle from the north. So, here's the north. So, the angle that I really need to mention is this one here. So, the angle is 53 degrees. So, we can give the bearing as 0.53. Explain why average velocity is different from average speed in this situation. Well, in average velocity, we only consider the displacement d. But in average speed, we consider the total distance. So, you divide them by the same time, which is 5/6 of an hour, but your distance and displacement are different values. Therefore, the average velocity is less than the average speed. So here's how you can word it. Average speed is based on the total distance, 21 kilometers, which is the sum of 12 and 9. Whereas the average velocity is based on the displacement, 15 kilometers. Since the time is the same and the distance is greater than displacement, the average velocity is less than the average speed.